Welcome, everyone. I'm Trish Moratto, our Senior Communications Manager at SMA America, and I am joined by two key players today for the first successful UL 3741 solar project in New Jersey. That is our big project at Inspira Health. And I have the privilege today of talking to Chris Mahoney, who is our Territory Sales Manager with SMA. Hey, Chris.
Hello, how's it going, Trish?
It's going, and we've also got Julian Rossini, Principal of Equinox Renewable Energy, joining us to chat today. Julian, hello.
Hi, Trish. Hi, Chris. How are you guys?
Hey, Julian.
Yeah.
Well, we're happy to be here, and we're happy to start chatting about this project in 3741. So let's start by talking about Inspira Health, their mission, and how that mission actually perfectly aligns with solar. So Julian, I'll start kicking it off to you. You were the principal developer on this project. Can you tell us why Inspira decided to integrate solar energy into their healthcare facility?
Yes, Trish. So Inspira, it's a healthcare organization in New Jersey, and savings are paramount for their mission. So solar was a natural choice.
Okay, perfect. So their mission is to positively impact communities, which aligns perfectly with this project. So Chris, I'm going to look to you, and why don't you tell us about some of the specifics of the solar that they've installed?
Oh, sure. Hey, Trish. This facility is for Inspira. It's in Deptford, New Jersey. And what they do is the solar actually offsets a lot of the energy needs with the clean solar power. So what's good is that contributes to reducing their electric bills, which in turn helps them free up funds for patient care and community programs.
Right. And that's important. And for a facility in healthcare, I know safety is extremely paramount. And this project in particular was one of the first to use UL 3741. Chris, can you explain a little more about why that certification was pivotal and why SMA's technology specifically helped them meet the certification?
Yes, Trish. UL 3741 certification is a new rigorous safety standard designed to protect first responders on the solar rooftops. And it meets rapid shutdown requirements without using module level devices. That's kind of like another way of meeting it, but the new way with the UL 37.1 makes the system simpler, safer, and also what's real exciting is this is one of the first UL 37.1 projects in New Jersey to achieve it, which is awesome. So I have to give it out to Julian because he did a great job. He was really like one of the pioneers for the UL 3741. So that's a really good thing. So now how it works is you have our SMA CORE1 inverter, and that's paired with one of the companies that's UL listed for the racking is called Sollega, and their racking system. So it puts those two together, and then that makes it UL 3741. And it's enhances safety, reliability, and what's real important, it reduces the need for firefighters or personnel to interact with the array, which is great. And most importantly, it eliminates a lot of the very unreliable module level devices that would have to go in each module. So the installer loves it, the customer loves it, and it's more reliable and safer and it lasts longer.
That's great, Chris. And we know simpler systems are safer systems. So I want to pivot, Julian, to your perspective as the project developer. Why did Equinox prioritize doing 3741?
Well, this standard was critical for us because having the fewer components, we have fewer connections as well without the need of using rapid shutdown devices per module. So I think it's very practical and super simple. It's fast. You have the project installed just in a couple of days, and SMA CORE1 inverters with rapid shutdown capabilities do all the job, and also having Sollega's racking was fantastic because it's basically like a plug and play. So yes, was a super efficient installation, and this standard is replicated all around. So happy to be the first in New Jersey bringing this to our community.
Wow, what a milestone. And it makes a lot of sense. It's safer, it's simpler. I imagine Inspira's leadership must have been very pleased with the results. Can you share with us a little bit about their reaction to the project when it was completed?
Absolutely. they were thrilled with the outcome, and their management, they highlighted how the energy savings actually support their mission. So it's a powerful example of how renewable energy can benefit an entire community.
Well, that's fantastic. And Julian, I do understand that along the way there were some challenges, like there are with many projects. Can you talk about the building structural limitations and how SMA and Equinox were able to work together to approach those?
Yes, Trish. So the main challenge for this project was a limited reserve on the roof. So this was a retrofitting, a new construction. So Inspira developed this healthcare facility in what was previously was a sport and goods store built in the early 80s. So the roof was a pretty light roof. So for a traditional full ballast system. So we designed a hybrid system together with Sollega, and we ended using a third of the ballast, and we also installed the inverters right over the beams. So we distributed the weight even more. So that was the most tricky of this project, and ended fantastically well.
So with that success, do you see other institutions following Inspira's lead?
I hope so. Yes, we have other UL 3741 projects already built. One of those is right here on our office building, together with Sollega and SMA as well. It's a 0.5 megawatt project that we commissioned a few months ago, and yes, we have a pretty nice pipeline with projects following UL 3741. So and we're exploring new projects with Inspira as well. So definitely yes.
Well, that's great. Thank you both today for sharing such valuable insights. It's clear that SMA and Equinox are driving forward safe and simple energy solutions. And big kudos to Inspira Health for being an example of how sustainability can enhance overall community health. Chris, Julian, thanks so much.
Thank you, Trish. Thank you, Julian. Take care.
Thank you.